Next.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes, Habiba.
first I share my bad advice. My bad advice I have ever had in my life about my body. Everybody says like, go and lose your weight, go and lose your weight, but nobody sees how struggle that um, uh, that I
How much you struggle to maintain.
yeah. Yeah. So one day I shared this problem about in my close cousin. Then she said, "Be you, no problem what you are. Don't compare others with you. Uh, love yourself. You are so perfect in your way. You are the hero of your life." She so motivated me, and that's the best advice I think I had ever learned in my life.
Congratulations. Kudos to your friend. Okay. What is that friend's name? Friend or your cousin? What's her name?
I can't hear you.
What's your cousin's, your friend who told you this? The one who gave you this advice that be yourself, don't change, accept yourself. What is her name?
It's that time she's my friend,
Huh.
but nowadays she's my sister-in-law.
Yeah, I remember. I
Yeah.
remember you talking about your sister-in-law. So you go and give her lots of hugs, okay? Yeah,
Yeah,
for
that's
sharing
why
this.
I bring her in my family.
That's why you brought her in your family. Okay, that's amazing. But the best and the worst, you said it all. You said it both. Be yourself. It's a huge message. It's an amazing message. Thank you, Habiba. Okay, claps to you. Next. Come on. Next up. Should I call you name? Samir. Samir is what is written. Samir. Can you hear me? I don't know what comes before or after Samir. Samir. Sakina. Sakina, can you hear me? Sakina. Hi, Sakina. Can you hear me? See, if it is because of language English, it's okay. Please speak up. If you speak, it'll be okay. Jasik, can you hear me? Jasik, can you hear me? Reshmi or Reshmi? Reshmi, can you hear me? Now you're not at all responding. Okay. Mufida, did you Mufida, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I am already telling.
You already told. Okay. Dia, are you there? Dia, can you hear me? Dia, better you speak. Give response. Just say a hi, at least. Shania, are you there? Shania, am I saying it right? Shaima, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I think everyone's left.
Yeah, of course. Because nobody wants to speak. All right, Shaima, what is the best piece of advice and what is the worst piece of advice that you've received?
Best advice. Before some long days, I simply sitting in my home. That time, I told to my husband, I want to do something.
you don't want to do something that he told to me. If you want to do, go and go for it and search for the opportunity. The opportunity never comes to you. You want to go there. You want to, yeah. Then you want to chase that and chase your dream. That my husband told me, and he gave every support for me. Then the worst advice before, I don't know who tell that, just opposite. Everyone told me, go eat more and gain your weight. Eat for one day, 4 or 5 times you eat and gain your weight. Then only you got energy. Then only you become beauty. You know one thing, ma'am, before I was in 10th and that age time, everyone told me, lose your weight, you're very chubby. Then after the delivery, I lost my weight automatically and now I am very skinny. So everyone told me, gain your weight, gain your weight.
Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah. So people say gain weight, then you put on weight. People say, oh my God, you're overweight. So you kind of put down your weight. Horrible, that is horrible. All right. So you can connect with Habiba, Shaima and Habiba. You are
just opposite.
Yes, in the same boat. All right. Thank you, Shaima, for sharing. Thank you so much. Good job. Thank you. Jasina, would you like to share the best advice and the worst advice that you received?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, mic on but working alla.
That's okay, Bufida. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mufida, do you want to say, did you say about your best advice and the worst advice?
Already told you.
Okay.
But Ramyയുടെ mic ഓണാണ് but അവിടെ range issue കാരണം പറ്റുന്നില്ല.
So my mic is on, you can't hear me clearly, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mufida, I can understand. Okay. All right. So Jasina, would you like to share your best and the worst?
Okay, ma'am. One of the best advice from my mom, she always says that don't cheat anybody. That's one of the best advice my mom. And the worst one is, it's not an advice, it's a suggestion from my husband. When I am working in a travels, I am at a professional. That's time I got low salary from that because I'm a fresher in there. That time he said that please don't go there and you get some low salary. Why you are going there like that? And that time I think that it's right. So I resigned my job and went to UAE. Then I got pregnant. Now I think that that's a bad decision in my life because after a long gap, I forgot in that field of thinking. So now I started to think. I want to do something. So I joined in this class. So that's not an advice. That's a suggestion. But I regret that. Why I did that suggestion. That's it.
Okay, Jasina. Maybe for good, Jasina, who knows? Maybe you lost it, or you had to resigned the job or you had to quit the job, maybe for good reasons. Yeah? It might
Yeah,
not
that's
reflect now.
we don't have babies that time. So he thinks that you just come here, we can try from here. That's why. So I resigned my job and went to UAE.
Yeah.
That's why I got a baby.
Yeah, of
So
course.
that's a
After
blessing,
very
that's a
long
blessing.
years, no, Jazina, your story I
Yes,
still remember.
that's a blessing for me.
Yes, yes.
But career-wise, I likes that job more.
Don't worry,
So,
you'll get. So you'll get
yes.
job in the same field or some other field, and you'll
Yes,
shine
yes.
through. Yes.
Yes,
Thank
I
you
like
so
to
much.
go job and earn money
Yeah.
and be independent.
Yes, yes.
That's why I take this
Montessori.
this career. Yes,
These are not just dreams, they are just like your wishes, and these things will definitely happen, no doubt.
yes.
These are not
Okay,
unachievable
thank you,
things.
thank you, thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
Jasina, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Can I have one more to say?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes,
ma'am,
Farza.
I'm ready.
Yeah, of course, please.
I have found important session. My sound is not clear. One of my best advice from my husband: don't compare yourself with others. Then he is always say, don't compare my children
Yeah.
with others.
Yes, yes.
Every time he is saying about that.
Great, great, great.
Then one of most advice that's it for my family. Never say to no. Just agree with everyone. I can do that
Yeah.
because I have my own decision. Every time we cannot say yes.
Yes.
That's one of worst advice I get from my friend.
Amazing. Farza, I'm really, proud to listen to all of you women who your mindsets, your thoughts, your level of thinking is so contemporary, and I'm really feeling proud, okay? And these kind of conversations when we have, so when you talk about your life, you know the right and the wrong, you can differentiate, so you are very well knowledgeable about your life, the current scenario, everything, so you know how to lead or even live your life. So hats off to all of you. Hats off.
Thanks.
Yes, yes. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for joining. And I hope it was fun sharing own your own life. That's what we do. And those who did not speak up, your opportunity will come. And somebody said that, I don't know who, like you shouldn't wait for opportunities to come and grab you, you have to knock doors for opportunities. Who's somebody's husband said these opportunities won't come in search for you, you have to go out. Shaima. So similarly here, this platform is meant for you to practice English, even though you're not confident, even though you don't feel like that I have enough vocabulary. My God, inshallah, the vocabulary. So you should take that step to speak. That is what I wish for all of you. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice rest of the day, a nice evening, and see you next week. Thank you so much. Do you want to say anything else? Nothing? Okay.
Miss, I can talk about first and
Oh yeah, please. Sorry. Come on, Tasni. I'm so happy. Come on.
first I will tell the first advice. Miss, can I start?
Of course. Listening to you.
I came from the family with a lot of limit. when whatever I do, they will they advise me not to do, not go that, no that, something like that. They um, they not they not
They don't
uh,
encourage you, right?
they advises me when I came out with my friend. Whenever wherever I go, they did. Yeah.
You couldn't enjoy it because they don't
Yes,
like you
yeah,
going
yeah.
out with your friends.
Hmm. I they don't approve me to
Yeah.
the things that I do. Uh, After that, the best advice is about financial freedom and self-independence.
Yeah.
It give my after my marriage, uh, I will the power to any freedom.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
That's all.
Yes. So now you are full of power and you are free. You are free that you can fly
Yes, I
and
am free, but my babies are not allowed. They are. I am in my home because of them. They are small babies, so I can't go anywhere
Don't
without
worry.
them.
No, Tasni, this thought of yours will take you heights, okay? Yeah, because
Yeah.
you're independent in your
If
thinking.
if they will grow up, I will surely achieve my dream along with them.
Oh my God, please listen to universe, listen listen to these wonderful things told by you know, amazing girls. Tasneem, all the best for your dreams and wishes and for your freedom that you
Thank
are
you.
going to enjoy in the future. No doubt about it. Thank you so much for sharing, Tasneem. And so the conversation goes. Yes, Tasni, and time is also, oh my God, time is ticking. Time is, I have to go home. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. See you next week. See, yeah. So next week, those who did not speak up today, I wish you speak up and practice. You practice. You all did an amazing job. Okay, today you have shared I've recorded this. I'll share the recording. You must listen to yourself, the things that you have spoken. Great. Bye, all of you. Bye bye. Thank you so
Bye, ma'am.
much.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you.